Yeah, let's go on up. Boss up, baby. We back from vacation from Tampa and Florida, moving around this summer. We back to the grind, back to full mode, getting to this money. A lot of things happening in the world right now. Bitcoin at an all-time high, bills and tariffs and all kind of things getting thrown around the economy, fluctuating prices, fluctuating interest rates. How does that affect you? How does it affect your money? How can it help you boss up or hinder you from bossing up? We don't want to stop bossing up. We out here trying to get it. Folks, there's a small little intro, but let's go. All right, so the brand new, little talked about on online, but I haven't really heard anybody talk about it on YouTube. Saw a comment about it on TikTok, and actually was a negative comment about a worker from this company called SpeedX. SpeedX, yes, this is a new last mile delivery company. You can drive with your car, sedan, box truck, cargo van, minivan, sprinter van, SUV, two-door. Not sure if they take bikes, but they're willing to operate with anyone who's of age, has a insurance. Now, I'm not sure about background check because I tried to get on first when I heard about it last week, but they are not hiring or not allowing drivers to sign up in Atlanta at this time. Oversaturation, but for your area, that might not be the case. So don't worry. Go ahead and jump on this website with me and let's follow along. Let's see what SpeedX is about and it help you boss all the way up. So we're on the page SpeedX. At the top, you see Drive with us. They make it real easy to find how to apply. Choose your routes, your work hours, and earning potential to be a part of the company, redefining the delivery experience. They got over 11,000 zip codes, but they ain't working in Atlanta right now. I don't know why. It's all good. I ain't tripping. We signed up. It's been plenty of times I've signed up with a company, and 3 to 6 months later, they finally hit back up, begging me to work for them, begging the boss to promote their company. So we got delivery service providers. If you have, I guess, your actual company established. I went through individual driver. Maybe I should have went through that one. And then you got your area. Of course, they got Atlanta, but after I went through the process, I got an email saying that they're overbooking this area and they'll reach out at that time. But here's Chicago, Connecticut, Maryland, Massachusetts. That's funny. They put the city right here and they put whole states right here. Interesting. But you see some of the area looking like mostly Midwest, East Coast, San Diego, California. So they kind of stretched out into the major cities in the U.S. Sorry, Alabama, North Carolina, and then we got Texas on here. X right now, and how you can get delivery with them. So you see the areas that they are a part of. First, last name, email, postal code, the way you are, and then what type of vehicle you got. So I don't have my commercial Sprinter van anymore. I sold that in the end of 2023. But yeah, I'm trying to get these routes part-time. I'm still trying to make this money whenever I can. And then what you'll do, you pick up the package from the warehouse, they'll give you the route, and you go on. I'm thinking it's kind of like VHO, if you ever drove for VHO, or Shipped, go to the warehouse, they load your car up, or Amazon Flex, load your car up, and then you got to be 21 years of older. Proof of insurance. Andre asked, are they in Myrtle Beach? Let's see. Nope. Not in the Carolinas. The closest place to Myrtle would be Atlanta for you. But what I would do is actually put my information in here, and then try to reach back out to the company, see if we got any contact information. And then reach out and be like, hey, Myrtle Beach is a big area, big growth, guys. I would love to be the pilot, delivery driver for your area. And I'm able to secure contracts and be the first test dummy in the area for some of these delivery companies. So definitely don't hesitate, if you not see your city on here, to reach out to the company and ask if possibly are they coming to your area. Now, if you in a real small little, go to the nigga city, and then that will help you get on and going. All right. So I didn't see a phone number. We might have to do a little bit more digging Let's see about you guys. What you guys about? Book a discovery call. Okay. We book okay, we got some. They may reach back out to you that way. That's that. Now let's see. We're gonna go to Indeed, and see if we can find some information on these guys. Cause these guys, we here to boss up. We finna get rich. We finna be out here with the rich folks. Golfing and stay out that way. We do our own thing. But yeah, no, we finna be rich folk too, man. So yeah, definitely. It ain't gonna be them folks. It's gonna be us folks, Andre. You did. You did. Indeed. Why are we not on Indeed? All right, there we go. Indeed. And we're gonna see this company, SpeedX. And who else we got checking in? Go ahead and drop your city and state. We got 3 people watching right now, checking out this brand new courier company. I'm delivering for you guys. I always find driving opportunities in your city and state. So go ahead and drop that. We got Andre in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. SpeedX is not coming up. Why? It's not coming up. SpeedX. Boys, it's not coming up. What's going on? Really bad SpeedX delivery issues. Yeah, I heard about it. A really good company. So they may lose some contracts because I'm looking like Shein and AliExpress. They deliver all them Chinese companies. Oh, okay. They probably running people raggedy. Getting 2 or 3 things delivered all over the city. Damn, I can't even find them on Glassdoor. I'm trying to see some income, how much they paying for you guys. Here we go. We got something on Glassdoor. They got a 4.0 pros and cons. Ugh, terrible rating. Terrible rating. Jobs. Delivery from 15. Okay. Wow, Christ. All right, delivery drivers in Springtown, Texas, $30 an hour. Okay. In Texas, we got stuff in Texas. They ain't had Texas on the initial website. I guess this is all SpeedX. I assume this is the same company. SpeedX. So $30 an hour. That's an hour. Depending on the route and the time of day, may pay different. That ain't too bad. Hit that like button. Everybody who checking, drop that like text. Come on in. Your city and state where you watching this from. We definitely got a link, man. Hit me in the DMs or Instagram or on TikTok, Andre. Drop your contact information, bro. Let me know where you at next time I'm up that way. We're gonna link up, man. You can come down to Polish with the rich folk. With all the good food up in Myrtle or Georgetown, though. Good spots down. Everything closed like at 9 o'clock too. Hey, boy. Yeah, that's what it is. SpeedX. I don't see a whole bunch of information online about them. I'm not sure why they wouldn't hire me in Atlanta. Why they was acting all stingy and bougie. This all good. All good. SpeedX Logistics. Oh, now y'all want to find them. What the hell's going on? Maybe this ain't the right one. Delivery drivers, 160 a day. Yeah, I don't think this is the right one. And it contracts in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, my buddy Auntie Stewart. All right, we're going to get into that. Appreciate you. We're going to get into that. I think I found all the information I can on SpeedX. But here's the website, Deontay. Let's go back and see if they got anything close to Milwaukee. And shout out to the Milwaukee. Boys up there be getting it in area. So they got Indianapolis might be the closest thing up your way. And that ain't too close to Milwaukee. So not really, but what I advise everybody to do is always contact the company, because if you are in a major city, they may be looking to expand your way. And yeah, so go ahead and application in, reach out to them, let them know that you're in this city, you got the cargo van, you got the equipment, and it's some right work out here. So let's get it. All right. So we got 8 people still watching. Hit that like text. Go ahead and your city and state. Comment down your city and state. And if you want to consultation, you don't want to put information in the comment section, you can message me and we can look a private one-on-one consultation. It's only $50 for a full hour. We can talk about anything: credit, business credit, CP routes, courier contracts, starting a business, building business credit. Everything all above will be included for that one simple price of $50 for the whole hour. We can get in whatever you want to talk about. All right. All right.